Hey, amazing viewers. I hope you enjoyed our show today, our listeners. We were not able to go live on TikTok, right?
Yeah, simu zilikuwa busy na vitu zingine pia mitandao zikakuwa busy.
Okay, hey, amazing viewers. Today we weren't able to entertain you here on TikTok, but tomorrow we will entertain you here. Okay, if listen to our show today and you got entertained, we also would love to hear your feedback.
Muhimu by the way, muhimu.
Yes, as usual, tomorrow same time we will be here live at a Vibes Express show with me, your amazing host Kagendo, presenter Doris Kagendo, and
DJ Trovix as the co-host.
yes,
Yeah, sindio kama tawa.
So kesho same time, stay tuned, and we'll be having amazing guests as usual. Bye.
Tulisema ni kina nani wakuja?
Kuna majamaa wawili watakuwa hapa kesho, sijapata majina kabisa, but
azini sasa wanatoka away from Nigeria.
Yo.
Yeah, by the way tuko na wananja kesho.
Yeah, stay tuned guys. Kesho itakuwa mad fun. It's okay, bye. Have a good night.
Good night tena. Hujaanza kuwa wish.